Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how tools integrate seamlessly into KaibanJS to empower your AI agents. Tools are specialized functions that help agents perform tasks like searching the web, sending emails, consulting databases, and automating tasks, all enhancing their capabilities. So, what are these tools, and how can you integrate them? To integrate a tool, define it in your code. For example, install the Tavily Search tool via npm, add your API key, and assign it to an agent. Now your agent can perform advanced searches with a simple query. Let's wrap this up with an example. Meet Scout, an agent designed to gather sports information using the Tavily Search tool. With this integration, Scout can find the latest data quickly and efficiently, saving time and improving accuracy. The integration of tools with agents makes them more powerful and versatile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our documentation for more information.